Are you tired of the constant ringing, buzzing, or echoing sound in your ears? Do you miss the peace and quiet you once had? You're not alone. Tinnitus affects millions of people worldwide. But what if nature held the answer to restoring your ear health safely and naturally? Meet Quietum Plus, the revolutionary natural supplement that supports healthy hearing and reduces ringing without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Made from a blend of powerful herbs, vitamins, and plant extracts, Quietum Plus nourishes your auditory nerves and strengthens ear function from the inside out. The ingredients in Quietum Plus are carefully selected to improve blood circulation around the ears, repair nerve connections between your brain and auditory system, support the hair cells inside your ears that are responsible for sound clarity, reduce noise sensitivity and ringing naturally. Each capsule works with your body, not against it, promoting calmness, clarity, and natural hearing balance. Benefits: reduces ringing and buzzing in ears, improves focus, sleep, and peace of mind, supports long-term ear and brain health, 100% natural and safe for daily use. Quietum Plus gives you back what tinnitus has taken, your peace and your joy. Closing. Don't let the noise control your life anymore. Choose Quietum Plus and rediscover the sound of silence naturally. Click the link below to learn more and start your natural healing journey today.